Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today we're taking a look at custom text creation. So here on the screen I have a canvas, and the first thing we need to do is head to the apps section, and in there we are going to type in Typecraft, and here we can see the app we're going to use. It is a Canva Pro feature. We can see the little crown, and if we click on it, it tells us. If you are not currently subscribed to Canva Pro and you would like to give it a try, then click on the link in the description, and this will give you a free 30-day trial to try out this feature and all the other features available in Canva Pro. Once we click on the app, this is what we can see. So the first thing we need to do is add in our own text. So I am going to add in awesome crafter, and now we can change the font. So we need to scroll down. There's lots of fonts included, so we can just choose one that we like. If you've got multiple text, then you can use alignment, and you can also use line spacing. You can also change the color of the text as well to be any color that you want it to be. The next option is warp effect. So we can have custom, which then gives us different types of warp. So we've got distort, warp and shape. So for distort, we can see along our text it's give us a box with circles, so we can pull on the circles and that will distort our text, and that's a really funky way of creating a different type of text style. The next one is warp, where we can just drag it and that will warp our text. We can drag it in all different directions by just clicking on the circles again. And the final one is shape, and that's just going to create shape types. So there's a circle, a semicircle, a square, and then one where it's just split our text. The next one is the font scale option, so you can make your font larger or smaller, and also the scale of the shape. You can obviously change that as well, and you can play about with those settings. The next one is some examples of warps. So you can have various different types that are already preset inside of Canva for you to choose from, and that's a great way if you're unsure and you just want to use one of the pre-made ones. And there is actually plenty to choose from, and again it goes through the shapes at the end. And the next one is outline effects. So you can have the normal text in the color that you want, you can have it hollow, and you can choose the color of the outline, or you can have the text color with an outline. And again, we can change the thickness of the outline. We can see up here that's changing, and we can change the color of the outline as well. And once we're happy, if that's the one you want, once you've made all your selections, then simply add it to your design. That will then add your custom text creation onto your canvas, and then from there we can make it larger, you can make it smaller, you can position it to wherever you want it to be. And that's a great way of making custom text creations inside of Canva. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you again soon.